It's time to fix this. Alright guys, today turned out to be a bit of a thrash, and I didn't really stop to record much of it. But as you can see, bed's off the truck. The front seal is off of it. The new one's just kind of sitting there for the minute. I've got couple other repairs to do before I set it in place. But as you can see, the old cross members weren't in good shape. All right, day 2 of fixing the truck bed. You can see we got a little softness there going on. Cross members are in really bad shape, so we're gonna continue to fix and repair and see where we end up at the end of today. All right, so this has hit me with a couple surprises. The first of which was that the floor of the truck was actually blowed out in a couple places that the bed liner hid from the other side. So I got that made, that made, that made. The second one is this stupid cross member right here. Is ½ inch shorter than the one I got. Those two are the same, or that's the same as that one. That one works there, that one works there, but for some reason this one is a ½ inch shorter. So what I gotta do is cut that cross member down. Alright guys, getting another start on the truck today. As you can see, the front cross member is now in, welded in place. I think it turned out pretty decent. My next mission will be this cross member. Hopefully these will go a little quicker than what this front one did. And I have that third cross member, which was a little high. It's already cut down and ready to go. So it should actually fit on the truck a whole lot better than what it was going to. And we're gonna move on. Later today, we will be taking a break. We're gonna pull the old girl out. My buddy Denny's coming with his S10. And we're gonna take some video, hopefully for Dave at Scotch Rods, and get it sent to him for his virtual car show. I almost ain't even got cut it with my grinder. That one's just trying to fall off. Alrighty, number 2 is in. I'm gonna take a little break, throw some ribs on the grill, clean up my work area because, well, neatness is not my forte. So we'll get started on number 3 here in a little bit. Get in there and give her a yeehaw. Go get your keys. Yeah. What's your name and what's your truck?
My name's Denny and my truck's a 1987 S Pro Street S10. Got a 406 small block in it and soon to have a tunnel ram and 2 500 L blocks.
All right, what's your name?
My name is Charlie Finfrock. This is a 2006 crew cab Chevy 4-wheel drive.
How big's your lift?
My lift is 6-inch lift.
What size tires and wheels you got on it?
Well, I've got, let me see here, 17-inch wheels with 315 by 17 tires on it.
All right, now then, you kicking cancer's ass right now?
Yeah, I have leukemia. It's in my bone marrow. Right now I'm doing everything that the doctors tell me to do, and I'm kicking it